The statue of Zeus at Olympia was created by a sculptor named Phidias. It took him 12 years, from 430 to 422 BC, to complete the statue. Zeus was considered the king of the Greek gods, and this magnificent statue was created to honor him. It was placed in the Temple at Olympia, a shrine to Zeus where Olympic Games took place every 4 years. The Olympic Games were held every 4 years in honor of Zeus. Zeus was considered to be the father of gods and men. He was the king of all the other gods. The statue of Zeus at Olympia was about 42 feet tall. The statue was made of a wooden frame and covered in ivory and gold panels. The sculptor Phidias had previously created a similar-sized statue of the goddess Athena. The sculpture of Athena was made for the Parthenon in Athens. Phidias set up a workshop west of the temple at Olympia where he would complete most of the work on the statue of Zeus. The size of the statue of Zeus was so large that if Zeus stood up he would have put his head through the roof of the temple. The statue of Zeus at Olympia was destroyed by fire in the 5th century AD and there were no copies ever found. All the details of the statue today are taken from depictions on coins and ancient Greek descriptions. The frame of the statue was made of wood. The statue required special care because the Olympia was a very damp place and humidity could damage the statue. Olive oil was applied to the statue regularly to keep the wood from deteriorating. A visitor to the statue of Zeus in 97 AD, Dio Chrysostomos described the statue as being made of gold, ebony, ivory and precious stones. He also said that there were images of animals, such as the half-lion/half-man sphinx, and Greek gods carved into the chair. In Zeus' right hand was a figure of the goddess of victory Nike. In his left hand he held a scepter topped with an eagle. The statue was damaged by an earthquake in 170 BC but it was repaired. When the Emperor Constantine converted to Christianity in the early 4th century AD, he ordered that all gold be stripped from any pagan shrines, including the statue of Zeus at Olympia. The Olympics were abolished in 392 AD by Emperor Theodosius I of Rome. He also felt that the games were a pagan ritual. One theory states that a Greek art collector named Lausus moved the statue to Constantinople. It became part of his private collection. In 475 AD a fire swept through Constantinople and the statue was destroyed. Another theory states that the statue was still in its original place in the Olympic Temple in 425 AD when it burned down. Archaeologists discovered Phidias' workshop in the 1950s. During their excavation they found the tools that he used to create the statue of Zeus at Olympia.